We are learning new stuff today. We're going to learn three things. The first thing is the law of disjunctive inference. Let me show you what it looks like, and then we'll see it in a proof. Well, let's take a look, right? We got an or statement. What do you know about or statements? When are they true? Go. When one of them is true. Now, if you know with all your heart that you're only allowed to write true stuff down here, and this is true, right? What do you know about this other one? It's false, which means what do you know about true? What do you know about P? P must be true. Must. Oh my gosh, it must be true. And so there you go. That's one example of the law of disjunctive inference, right? It's different from detachment in that, well, detachment, you would have just detached this Q. Hopefully I'm not writing. This Q would have matched this one, and this would have been pulled off. Also, detachments is with like and statements, or it's with, no, I'm sorry, detachment's really with the if-then statements. Oh, but that everybody just got lost in the amount of words I just used, so let's keep it real simple. What's up, Dale? But I did. Yeah. Yeah, you couldn't have detached anything. You're right. So let's try again. Let's play again one more time. Let me show another example of the law of disjunctive inference. Suppose now I gave you pig or Q and I told you not P. What do you know? Yeah, man. Q is true. Q is true. Guys, we're gonna do an example now of a proof. Let me just write it down for you. All right. Now what's funny is this, right? Like we've only been in class for what, a week and a half now? A week and a half, if I showed you this, you'd have been like, what? What are you? That makes no sense. There's no vowels to the letters you're even writing down, right? But you understand now what it is I've written. True? Kind of. Okay, well, we're going to work through it. Guys, we're going dual screen. Anytime you see a question like this, you're going to have to do a statement and reason proof. This is going to be like one of the last questions on your test. It'll be worth the most points, so beware. So guys, here we go. Statement of reason. What's the first thing you always write down? Always. Mike. Jordan, what do you think? Yeah, you're the man. So, oh, that's right. You guys are so smart. I messed up. Silly person. And that's going to be 1, and that's going to be 1, because that would freak me out if they were different. Okay, so yeah, we're going to write down all the given. Now we got to think of step 2. Somehow we're going to have to get B in the end. Yep. At the suggestion of Chris, we're going to chain rule it up. Chain rule it up. Guys, chain rule. C then W, W then not M, therefore C then not M. Hey, chain rule. Yeah, because we're going to talk smack to our homework problem. Tried to beat us down, but we chain ruled it up. What? What do you want now, right? What? Okay, what's next? Yeah. Shoot. You know, you can't modus tollens it up just yet. You can't modus tollens the entire thing, like, you know, because even the great modus tollens has his/her limitations. Jordan. Next, you do modus tollens. Yeah. Yeah, you're amazing. That's why you're amazing, Danielle. I don't know if you could just write modus tollens for the entire reason category. In some instances, it does work, right? That could be the case. But here, right, first you need to, with absolute certainty, condense this down, right? You can't like say, oh, it's implied, I did it in my head. It has to be like you have to include all steps. So now that you condensed it down, you know M is true, which means not M is false, which means C is false, which means what is true? Not C, and that's a modus tollens type deal. My man modus tollens in the house. Modus tollens. in the house. That's it. So Jordan wisely says, oh, the last final step is disjunctive inference, right? You know that not C is now true. What do you know about C then? This one up over here. It's false, which means what do you know about B? B straight up by default, right? And B has to be true, and our proof is over. Fourth is just disjunctive inference. We're going to practice this up, don't worry. This is all we're going to do tomorrow, by the way, is just practice these. We're almost done. These are the last three that we're learning are the last three rules. And then we practice doing these proofs for about a day or so. Then we review it all together, and then it becomes our test, and then we're out of here.